Yeah, what is up, world? We have all these ingredients out today. So, what are we cooking today in Big Hurt's kitchen? And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell so you'll be notified every single time I post. What is Big Hurt cooking today? Okay, we're gonna tell you what the ingredients are. We got some rotel, diced tomato with green chilies, some enchilada sauce that I have to tell you right there, some sour cream, 1 onion, some Kobe and Monterey Jack cheese, some sharp cheddar cheese, some flour tortillas, some Taco Bell seasoning, Taco Bell taco seasoning, and some green onion. And in my pot, I got some boneless, skinless chicken breast boiling. And today we're gonna be making some chicken enchiladas. So I got my chicken already boiling, and we're finna get everything prepped up, and we'll be right back with you guys. Yeah. Now I got my chicken done. I got it in my bowl, and I'm gonna let it cool off a little bit, and I'm finna shred this up by hand. And then we got a few ingredients we're gonna add to it, and I'll be back to show you that process. Got the chicken all shredded up, nice and shredded up. Now, let me set y'all guys up, and we finna get to putting this mixture together. And y'all can't see in the bowl. So let me set y'all on. Stay up. Get y'all right. There y'all go, that's good enough. Alright. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go with a pack of Taco Bell seasoning. Drop that in there. Just like that there. Drop in our rotel, our diced tomatoes and green chilies, and I drained them. Drain the liquid out of them. And we're gonna go with I got my onions and finely chopped, or minced, whatever you wanna call it. Find me a spoon. We're going with the sour cream. And with the sour cream, we're gonna do like about a half a cup of sour cream. So that's gonna be about, I got a I'm just eyeballing them, but that's about a half a cup to a cup, something like that. And we're gonna go in with our shredded cheese, and for the filling, we're gonna use the Kobe and Monterey Jack. So you see that? Say the sharp cheddar for the top. And I say let's go with about, y'all know I love cheese. We're gonna go with 2 handfuls. So 2 handfuls gonna be about 2 cups. Maybe about a cup. Mix it up real good with this salt. Make sure you incorporate everything real good. thick, I might add a little more sour cream to it, depending on how, want the texture of it. But I know y'all don't want to sit here and watch this mixing this up, because I gotta mix it well because it's kind of thick. And I'll be back in a little bit. Alright, now y'all, this is what my mixture looks like. With the onions and cheese and sour cream, taco seasoning, and a rotel, the diced tomato green chilies. Now let me get y'all set up. We're finna start rolling these things up. Alright. I'm using flour tortillas today. It's your own preference. You can use flour or corn. So that's on you. These some big tortillas, so we're gonna put a generous portion in here. Smash it out like that. And we're gonna roll it up. Put them in our pan, seam side down. And show y'all one more, but I ain't gonna bore y'all with all of them. Get your tortilla. Use a scoop of mixture to another scoop. Flatten out a little bit. Roll it up. Just like that there. Seam side down. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna get all these rolled up. Be back with y'all in a little bit. Alright, back again. I end up getting 5 in that pan and 6 in this pan, so I got 11 all together. Got my green onions chopped up. Got my cheese and my enchilada sauce right there ready to go. And we finna show you how we get down. I'm gonna focus on this pan right here. I'm gonna fix both of them. We're gonna go first with the enchilada sauce. Just pour it on top of all of them. Make sure you're wet. Get all of them wet. Get all of them wet. Just like that there. Ooh, shoot. Spread the sauce out a little bit. Make sure it's coating all the tortilla. Just like this though. Just like that though. Alrighty, got the sauce spread all over them. Just put it in the sink. Now we're gonna go with our sharp cheddar cheese. Cover all of them just like you do, like for a casserole. Like that there. doing both of them at the same time, y'all. That's why I'm reaching way back here too. Put a little more on this one.
Purchase your tracks today.
Middle a little more. Now we're cooking roll. Make sure this bathroom cold good. Yes, sir. Y'all tell me if y'all like Mexican food or not in the comments. I love Mexican food. Love it, love it, love it. We got all covered with cheese. Sprinkle with the green onion. Just like that there. Do both of them. Just like that there. Move back here. Move here. Make it look pretty, pretty. Just like that. We're finna get ready to go in the oven, 350 degrees, for about 20 minutes. We'll be back to show y'all what it's looking like. Y'all see that? Look good, don't it? Yeah, yeah. And there you have it, my peoples, my family, Big Herd'em crew, whatever you want to be called. Chicken enchiladas. Yes, sir. So y'all know y'all gotta like, comment, share, subscribe, browse, all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? Tell Big Herd how you do. And there go the other one back there. You know what I'm saying? The same thing. Chicken enchiladas. But y'all comment and tell Big Herd how you do it on this thing. And you know Big Herd on the checkout because it's grub time. Yeah.